Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, you're going to be coming along with our family as we visit Louisiana and Mississippi. Now I'm still very new at this whole YouTube thing, so I wasn't the best at recording, but these are just a few clips that I compiled together. Juliana, are you putting your doll to sleep? Aww, you're putting Didi to sleep? You're so sweet. Now, although the trip was nice and fun, there were some moments where Juliana got frustrated with being away from home and just a change in routine.
Come here, come here. Come up here.
But we did get to take lots of pictures and make lots of memories. Oh, can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? Say I love you. Can you say I love you? Now, for those of you that are new to our channel, we do have two children. Our daughter just turned 2 recently, and our son is 2 months old. Do you have my hair? What are you doing with mommy's hair? What are you doing with my hair, buddy? Now, we did try to limit the amount of time that we spent indoors because the weather was so beautiful. And we're from New Jersey, and it was super cold where we were at, so we were trying to enjoy and appreciate all the warm sun. You want to come up? Up. Can you say hi, little man? Can you say hi? I love you. I love you. You get a little mustache. I can see your mustache. Yeah, I can see it. So we were very close to Natchez, Mississippi, and for those of you that are unfamiliar with the area, it's very, very historical. It's dated to the 1700s. There's still a lot of really old buildings and architecture that still remain from the past, and it's just an absolutely beautiful area to just walk around it and just take it all in. One thing I definitely am going to miss about this trip is just being able to come outside whenever we want and just take walks. Because as I said before, it is super cold in New Jersey and we're not able to do this all the time. Juliana is a huge water bug, so when she saw this waterfall, she was so excited and she just wanted to go right inside. So there are a lot of plantations in this area that you're able to tour. One of the most popular is this one right here. It's called Rosalie. We also came up one night just to watch the sunset over the Mississippi River. It was absolutely breathtaking just getting to look at the whole nature and just everything that the earth has to offer us. Look at mommy.
Look at cheese. Can you say cheese? Look at mommy.
Cheese. And of course, my little water bug found another waterfall when we were in New Orleans. Good job, babe. So we spent a little bit of time at the French Quarter and the Garden District. It was raining and it was super foggy, but it made for some really nice pictures. Cheese. One takeaway from this trip is that babies are not a fan of being in the car for a long time, so we did everything we could to keep Dominic entertained. What are you doing? And I mentioned before how good the food is in the South. It is absolutely phenomenal. We had so much good places. Yeah, it just has vegetables and cheese.
You want a pickle too? Pot pickle? Yeah, sure. I'll eat pot pickles. Oh, okay. Pickle with the hot? Yeah, okay.
We got to tour the city of Natchez on a horse and carriage, and it was so much fun and very informative. We only spent about 5 days on the trip in total, but we still had a lot of fun and we got to see so much stuff. What is that, baby? Is that Mum Mum?
Mom.
Yeah, what are you gonna eat?
Just remember, I'm trying to like.
Double.
Okay, come on, we're gonna move over there. Let's go move it there. Come on.
Oh no!
Oh.
Uh-oh!
I want to tell them all about it. How much of a hard time they gave us when they were kids.
Ladies and gentlemen. Seatbelt sign has been turned on, ladies and gentlemen. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. If you're already seated, please double check the security of your seatbelt.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and going on this little adventure with my family and I.